Hello everyone, welcome to Sources to the paper. So this year round, if we talk about the section in general, we have seen that the questions seem to be a little bit on the difficult side. That is the question that we have seen this year's paper were more calculation intensive and also required a lot of time to solve as well. That is the question where basically they required in-depth understanding of the subject matter just to attempt and solve them. Okay. So in this video, what we'll be doing is we'll be focusing on a few questions of those sorts. We'll try and identify the correct approach for the same so that whenever we come across questions such as this further down the line in any examination, we are easily able to solve them. Okay. So having said that, let's focus on the question at hand and let's take a look at how we can go about solving the same. A vendor sells 60% of the apples he had and throws away 15% of the remainder. Okay. Next day he sells 50% of the remainder and throws away the rest. Okay. So what percent of his apples does the vendor throw away? Okay. So let the vendors have 100 apples. Okay. Initially. Okay, let he have 100 apples initially and he sells 60% of them. Okay, what is the 60% of 60% sold? Okay, and then he has 40 as remainder and he throws away 15% of this 40. So 15% of the remainder, that is 15% of 40 would be 6. So this 6 he throws away. So he is left with 34. So this he is left. Okay. Next day he sells 15%, 50% of the left. So of this he sells not 50%. He sells 50%. So that is 17 he sells and the rest 70 rest he throws away. So rest of the 17 he throws away. Okay, what percent of the apple does the vendor throw away? So the vendor throws away 17 plus 6 equal to 23 apples. 23 apples, that is 23% he throws away. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Here 23 is our answer. So in case you have any kind of doubt with respect to how we solve this question, feel free to go through the video multiple times just to get a general idea and subsequently solve the question on your own. So you should that should be more than sufficient for you to understand the concept behind the solution. Okay, so that should be ideal, and try and solve this question. Keep the video as a reference for that. Okay. Now, having said that, in case you're looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. For that, what you can do is you can actually go through the description section of the video. There you'll find a bunch of details like our website URL through which you can visit our website, and in case you are looking to purchase any online materials or any online courses for any examination as such, you can make the purchase or enroll yourself in any online courses for that as well. So you can do that. Further, you can get write to us on our email ID, which is also provided, and also you can call, text, or WhatsApp us on the numbers provided below. Any doubt you might have, whether it is regarding the solved question papers of all the sets, all the possible sections as well, or if you have any exam preparation for any competitive examination related query, or in case you need guidance with the same, feel free to connect with us. We'll be more than happy to help you out in any of these regards. Okay. Also, if you have doubts with regards to any particular subject or any topic wise, if you need our expertise on, that is, you need an explanation or certain concept or certain topics, feel free to connect with us on those accounts as well. Okay. Now, having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so that you keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So we'll be continuing discussing similar sort of questions in the subsequent videos. Until then, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.